is Laís, and I'm from Brazil, from Colégio Marista São Luís. This work is created by me, Matheus, and Kevinn. We are currently in the first grade of high school, and your project was a reusing the brochure that we use in the school over here in the sustainable way. Every year, we get a kit of booklet made of brochure that we use throughout the year, then dispose it, causing a great amount of waste. Think about growth of 2030 aging by old. We propose they use the brochure to be a badge of youth well-being of school students. Problematization. Every year in the high school, our material is organized with kit, which are basically are composed of many booklets, about 126. As students in the first grade of high school get a kit like this with a chase booklet that will be a discarded lesson in the year end. Solution. Our idea is based on the applicable and creative solution. We are thinking of something sustainable that will show be present in your daily lives. The idea is a bench of brochure.
Hi, my name is Kevinn, and the materials we used it will be made of brochure, wood, sisal string, metal wire, and cushion. We estimated that 133 brochures will be necessary to make the base of each bench, totaling 266 brochures for the complete structure. The idea is to manufacture 6 benches, which will be allocated in the high school hall. The total amount of booklets that will be reused in the first moment will be 1,596, avoiding the ordinary disposal and giving them a new and sustainable use. So here is how are we going to build our bench. First, we are going to stack the 133 booklets for each base. After that, we are going to put a wooden board on the top and tie with wire. To finalize, we added the cushion to the top, and maybe in the future we are going to build more benches like this and really help preserve the nature. And as a formulated this action, we will use a total of 1,596 brochures in order to build the 6 proposed benches.